Hi viewers, today we are going to make a simple, delicious chocolate pudding made with Mari cookies.
To begin with, here are the following ingredients. 1 packet marigold biscuits, roughly 200 grams, milk, thick milk, 750 ml, sugar 11 tablespoons, vanilla custard powder 3 tablespoons, cocoa powder 3 tablespoons, vanilla essence few drops, chopped walnuts, pista, badam 2 tablespoons. Chill 1 cup of boiled milk. To this add custard powder and cocoa powder. Keep it aside. Pour the remaining milk along with sugar in a glass vessel and micro high for 6 minutes.
After 2 minutes, we will remove the milk, stir it for some time. Sugar has dissolved. Sugar has dissolved.
After micro high for 6 minutes, add the cocoa powder and custard powder mixture to it. Micro high for 3 minutes, stirring after each minute. In a glass bowl, spread the custard mix and place the marigold biscuits in a circle. Repeat this process and finish it with a layer of custard on top. Sprinkle walnuts, badam, pista in between the layers. Garnish on top. Refrigerate overnight. The pudding is ready to be relished.
This is how we make a yummy chocolate pudding. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
And I've been counting